Hey, you know me and my peppers, my veggies. So I saw this recipe and I said, sweet jelly, thank you. I have to try this. I'm going to. And I did. And I'm telling you, a simple recipe, but it is very good. Very, very good. So try it, okay? Love you all. Bye. Hey, precious family. We thank God for another day. Today's video is inspired by sweet jelly, assorted pepper sauce. This sauce tastes so yummy. I'm using these sweet peppers. The rest of the things will be added later. I add the onions and habanero peppers. So we're going to blend everything. We're going to let it cook till the water in it dissolves. Now the water is done. I'm adding my oil. Okay. You can't see nothing, but you can see now it's shining. You can see light now. Yeah. Okay. Add my salt. And then I'm using better than bouillon. Adding fish powder. And some shrimps. Guys, I want to introduce you to this amazing hair and body product.
So the name of the company is Zen Hair Face Body. It's an online Etsy shop, and we sell organic hair oil, hair mist, and body butters. And the link for the Etsy shop, it's ZennedCo. It just means Zen Company.
I'm gonna tell you. Finito. A real. I mean, a very simple, but tastes so good. I'm telling you, the taste is bigger than the work of it. Very good. You know me and my peppers, my veggies. So I saw this recipe and I said, sweet jelly, thank you. I have to try this. I'm going to. And I did. And I'm telling you, a simple recipe, but it is very good. Very, very good. So try it, okay? Love you all. Bye. We're done. Finito. See? Beautiful. And I'm telling you, the taste is A1. Simple recipe, but the taste is very high. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Take care. Love you all. Stay blessed. Bye.